Hey my babies, it's your girl Christina aka Naturally Nola back today with another YouTube video. And in today's video, our kids decided they wanted to attempt to do the 2x spicy noodle challenge once again. So let me go ahead and prepare these noodles to see if they can make it through, okay? Now we haven't done these noodles in a while, but baby, once I started to pour this 2x spicy, I instantly got flashbacks. Oh no, baby, I don't know how and why we decided to do this challenge. But these little 8 and 9-year-olds were super booked up. So guess what? Y'all want it? I'ma give it to you. Now look how these noodles look. Oh no, baby. Preparing these, I was like, here we go again. Here we go again with these 2x spicy noodles. But this is a fun challenge that you can do at home with your kids. Doesn't take long at all to make, and we actually bought these packs from the dollar store. The last time I ordered them off Amazon, but once I seen them that they were in store, it made the process much easier of getting the items to do this challenge. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare 3 bowls for the kids. 2 of them have done this challenge before, and one does not know what he's about to get himself into. So this is definitely something fun to do with the family. It may look a little painful, but oh my god, the reaction from the kids is hilarious and priceless. Okay, so now this is the finished product, and the moment you all have been waiting for is coming up next. How do you think these kids will do? Will they make it through? Or will they fall flat on their tails? Let's see what happens. Come on now, baby. Okay, so this is round 2 of the hot 2x spicy noodle challenge. Wow. We have KJ Long Legs. Let's do it. We have TreDay, and we have ColbyTheGr8at. So in this challenge, we're going to see who's going to finish eating these noodles first. All of them are winners, but guess what, baby? You drink some milk or some water, you is disqualified. Okay?
We don't even have nothing to
It's coming, baby. Don't worry about it. You already trying to lose?
No, I'm just saying.
Okay, well, I'm just trying to see what's going on.
Kobe, do not do that thing where you...
Well, this is challenge. This is challenge. This might be his way of throwing you off. So you just be focused on your own challenge.
You like stinky bread? I like stinky. Hold on, bro. I'm about to...
Okay, so Auntie Crystal is going to get y'all some milk.
Is that milk and water?
No, it's not Sparrow.
I don't want no milk. Don't say Sparrow. Is it still good? I don't want milk.
It's good for a week. See, put it in.
Don't say Sparrow, KJ. You not. But hey, if you already looking forward to the milk, then that means the race is over.
You already eliminated, bro.
Okay.
It smells stink.
Okay, so are y'all ready?
Yes. How much we have?
Okay, I'm doing the countdown.
Don't splash it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Oh. It's hot, bro. Hot.
Okay, Colby.
Hot. Whoa. I'm gonna choke. I'm gonna choke.
Keep going, y'all.
It's hot.
Come on, keep going, down. Colby, you got this. It's a mind thing. It's a mind thing.
Is it really worth touching that milk yet? And 3.
We only 2 minutes in.
Don't touch y'all. Trey gonna throw up. Oh, Kobe, sit down. Go back. Trey, say.
Hot.
Y'all wanted this. Y'all asked for this.
I didn't ask you.
Y'all want us about these spicy noodles.
All right, the next rule is you gotta remain in your seat.
Yes, you cannot get up.
I can't. Hot.
Okay, this is gonna be a short video. This what y'all want y'all YouTube fans to see. Y'all gotta show y'all getting through it.
You give up.
Colby out.
Kobe out.
Okay, only TreDay and KJ. TreDay and KJ, let's get it.
My mouth.
Let's see how much Colby had. He might come back and redeem himself, but he already drank the milk, but he might want to finish the race still. Okay, long legs. I see it. Trey doing a Harlem shake, but ain't even act like Uncle Keith.
Okay. He's on the counter. Go get it.
Trey, you only gonna eat 2 noodles, or you gonna eat?
Relax.
Okay, long
In
legs.
a little bit.
Long legs, remember that last competition. He in it to win it.
He said, you know, the slow and
Hot, bro.
wins the race.
Trey acting like Uncle Keith doing a whole bunch of talking and a whole lot of not eating.
Why you gonna get the last ones that we had? This 2 times spicy too hot, bro.
That's the same ones, KJ.
Oh,
I told you you ain't have them in a minute.
hot.
Trey, don't put your clothes on your on the food.
It's hot.
4 minutes in. Y'all gonna take all night? Y'all gonna take all night, or y'all gonna wait for that slow bus on Sunday to come? Come on, Trey. KJ gonna be the winner here.
I wanna do it. I wanna do it.
So you giving up? You give up on stuff?
It's hot.
You ain't even trying.
Yes, I
You
am.
only ate 2 noodles.
Don't give up, Trey. Keep pushing.
Okay, long legs. Oh, what that hand doing? What that hand doing?
Oh, God.
Trey, you haven't eaten in the last 2 minutes. You should be good for another spoon.
Oh, dang. Oh, no. I should do that.
KJ ain't worried about you. KJ eating. You playing. Okay, there go them 2 noodles. Long legs, what's going on? Talk to me. Talk to T.
Hot, bro.
Talk to T.
I need a, man.
You need a napkin? There you go, baby.
Oh, my mouth is burning.
Trey, you about to be disqualified for not eating.
How? I did it. Oh.
You about to be disqualified. If this clock reach 1 more minute and you haven't eaten, that means you are disqualified. Okay, Colby, you back? Okay, you back? Let's see how long you gonna last.
If
Come on.
he finish, does he win?
No, he just finishing the game at this point.
Yeah, I was gonna say, he just finished the game at this one.
He won't get it in there. Trey, your minute almost up and you haven't eaten nothing else yet. You about to be disqualified, baby.
Oh.
It's hot. 1 noodle at a time. 1 noodle. See, 1 string at a time.
Come on now, y'all know the people don't be wanting to watch a long old video. Y'all ain't even got a whole pack.
What?
No, that's 2 packs split between 3. Be quick.
I'm good.
You don't quick?
Finish that bowl and get $10.
Ooh, $10 finish that bowl. Auntie Sierra done raised the stakes.
Raisins.
You finish this bowl, you get $10.
Already.
You finish. She said you finish this bowl,
Don't put your hands in your eyes, okay?
you get $10.
Oh, sweet. That's not hot to KJ.
Oh, it's hot.
It is hot.
KJ mouth is hot.
Colby, you said it's not hot for KJ? KJ, is it hot?
No.
Huh?
A little bit.
Anyway, Kobe, stop. You're doing
No.
too much.
A little bit.
Doing too much.
A little bit?
Water on my mouth.
You doing all right? You got this. Trey, what you doing? You acting like Uncle Keith.
Keep 1 string at a time.
I'm halfway done. I don't know about y'all.
Okay, now you know what? This $10 bill is not going to be on the table for long. In the next 2 minutes, it's going to go down to $8. Because we're not about to be sitting here all night. So y'all can eat, or we can end it and tell YouTube that y'all couldn't make it through. Because it's going on the tube, baby.
Oh, it's hot.
Don't put this on tube, please.
It is. Expect to see it in the next 2 days or so, baby. It's coming. So you're going to look great.
Look at my bowl. I'm almost done.
It ain't over till it's over. Let's go. I'm only making this video 15 minutes long. Come. I know you lying. Ice. You cannot be eating a hot noodle challenge with ice. That's form of disqualification yet again. You got disqualified twice, but you more than welcome to keep eating. Ice. Colby got disqualified twice, but if he want to keep eating, he can keep eating. Finish that bowl, you get $10. You be $10 richer. What's wrong with your nose?
That pepper up in there.
Huh? What's going on?
What is in here? Hot sauce?
Oh no, baby, 2 times spice. Okay, we almost at 10 minutes. Y'all about to be disqualified. Oh, you give it what that?
I'm eating though.
You give it up? You can eat all you want. It gotta be gone.
Oh no.
Oh, there go that one noodle. I thought at least gonna be 2.
That's what I need, don't worry.
Bro, I'm a dragon over here, bro. Hi.
Auntie Tiara got the setup all nice for y'all. Y'all over here acting.
When I'm done with this, I'm brushing my teeth.
Go ahead on, baby. That's what you're supposed to do. Get that 2 times off.
Hold on, bro, my tummy burn, bro.
That boy said my tummy burn.
I'm a dragon over here, bro.
I see that Sunday bus coming. I'm about to call it. I'm about to get on it.
Oh.
That bus on Sunday almost here. How slow y'all eat. Oh, I know you lying. Y'all got a big old bowl of noodles and y'all picking up one at a time?
I'm shaking.
Jacoby is in the restaurant.
Oh. Hot.
Whenever y'all ready to tap out, I mean y'all milk right here, but
Whoa.
just know I'm gonna have some dramatic music playing when you start grabbing it. So that's all on y'all.
Hot.
What sound they make when people starting to lose? That's gonna happen. What your hand doing? That hand doing? We're at 11 minutes. At 15 minutes, I'm shutting it down.
Oh.
KJ, last time you fought through this, you ate this.
What is hot?
Dragon over there, though.
It's hot.
Was probably a little more because they only had 1 pack and they split it between 2.
I want that.
KJ, you look handsome.
I want.
Lips about to fall out.
Nose wet like belly.
You one went back and started eating. You was halfway cool.
Okay, come on. Trey, are you eating or are you playing around? It look like you playing around to me. Your mouth don't even look like it's burning.
It is.
Or you playing?
No, I'm not.
You want to have Auntie Crystal taste? Auntie Crystal, come taste Colby noodles. Come. You gonna finish your baby noodles? Yeah, you gonna finish your noodles? You can get $10.
Are we allowed to cry up in here, bro?
Are you allowed to what?
Cry.
You can do what you want to do.
I was finna start water.
Okay, let's see what Auntie Crystal thinks. Let's see if y'all just overexaggerate. Oh, I know you lying. I know you lying.
You put your hand in your eyes.
Should the mamas finish the song?
Should the mamas finish? Y'all want the mamas to finish our noodles?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Because y'all got 2 minutes left and y'all still got a full bowl of noodles.
I don't.
I quit already.
Oh, my mouth.
Okay, I'm about to end this and we going to come visit. We're going to try to switch it up a little bit.
It's
So
recording.
now, as you can see, we are taking our children's places. So we are going to try to finish their noodles. Try. I don't know if we'll be successful, but we're going to try. Okay, mamas.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheer me on, Cage.
Let's go, Mama. Come on, Mama.
Ezekiel Elliott.
Oh, Lord.
Come on, Mama.
Can we switch back out?
I don't like hot stuff.
Mama, let me go back in after that, but tag me in. Tag me in.
Tag.
Me in. Tag me in.
Hey. Okay, come on, Mama. Mama, come on.
I'm going back in.
You got this, Mama.
Why can't we go back in?
Oh my God. Chop this up like bacon.
My arms hurt. I'm holding this.
Thing is, the Kobe wouldn't have drunk no water. He ain't
It's
had
hot. I need more.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Oh, my Lord.
Mama. No, you can tag.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Let's tag. Tag me.
I don't want to play no more.
Woo.
I'm eating
Little
the
son.
Tag me in.
And Shatira good.
Tag me in.
She winning. She won.
Oh. Come on, Mama.
I'm trying to. I'm trying some.
Our butt's gonna be hot.
Oh, yeah. Y'all gonna be boo-boo for a whole week.
I know you like me.
You win. You go left, Mama.
Y'all gonna be at that toilet every morning.
And
Auntie Tiara is done eating the noodles.
You see it?
Mama is almost done eating the noodles. And Auntie Crystal is almost done.
Can you bring me a napkin?
Peace out, Natural Nola fam. We tried it again.